It's a life, yes, but I mean, there are, them say tit for tat and butter for fish. You understand? Because me wouldn't want to know, say, yo, me have my daughter and my brother go rape her when she at 12, 13, 14, 15, when she at 30, 40, me in a business. No woman not go and carry that. A 13-year-old was raped by her uncle. And she have to bring the picnic in Texas. You know, white people state. No, they might fight it, you know. But the Republican, the Christian state, them say a God them serve, you know. Them say them do it under the premise of thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not kill. Now bring that to me. Don't bring that to me. Thou shalt kill if necessary. Yeah, yes, I said it. Thou shalt kill if necessary, because some people not deserve to live. Me said some people not deserve to live, because if them alive, them will kill everything in front of them. No, why left them alive to cause pain upon the living? Get rid of them. If you have a man a boss him gun and just a killer walk and kill and a rob and a rape and a kill of people, girl picking and a kill it, get rid of him. Him is a thorn among society. Get rid of that. Cut off him head and bury his body over there so and fling his body, give cutlass and fling him head, give cutlass and make them drink out the gizzard. Out and liver and drink out in chipe. Make his name out in chipe. No, Abasha, how can you do that to a woman? A woman have a right. A fair body. You can't tell a woman what to do with her body. No, for everybody have them body. Remember, you know? Even if a person a twin, nobody no come out the same time. Even if them a twin, them come out one. So every top of you sit down on them own bottom, everybody have a right to decide them own destiny. Somehow no not agree with me, you know, but that a phone a right too. Everybody have them rights, so me not go say TIS have my right and uno na phone a right. Uno have uno right too if you disagree with me. Oh, you mean?